Hi, I'm Nick Bonner for TreeStuff.com, and I'm excited for you because you are going to get a Rope Runner Pro soon, or you've already just gotten one, and you're watching this video to learn how to set it up and tune it for your specific climbing rope. So that's what we're going to cover today. I've got a Rope Runner Pro here. Let's go ahead and get it set up to climb on this Sterling HTP. So you've probably already watched a few videos on this, so you know how it works, but you can watch me here. I'll go ahead and install it on the rope using the Rope Runner Pro's handy dandy midline attachability. Pretty neat. I don't know about you, but I love these Edelrid bulletproof carabiners, especially this triple action locking one with the configuration aid. The stainless steel here is really nice, especially for something that might slide along your bridge a lot. You're not going to wear it down. So anyways, here we go. We've got the Rope Runner Pro set up. It goes on the rope. First thing you want to do is not try to rocket yourself all the way to the top of the tree. You want to make sure that this is going to work for you. So let's go ahead and do a basic function test here. So I am able to 10 slack, and it is stopping me. So that's a plus. It is, however, not really working very smoothly. So I think it's definitely going to require some adjustment, but that's okay. We knew that coming in. So we'll leave it on the rope actually here, and we'll look at it. Your Rope Runner Pro most likely is shipping to you with this bollard all the way shut. And that is probably not going to be the optimal position. So 5mm wrench here. What I'm going to do is just loosen the one side and then loosen the other side. And then I can go ahead and I can incrementally back this out, but let's just take it to the opposite. Let's go all the way open and see what our experience is like really quick. So all the way open on both sides, quickly tighten her up there with our 5mm wrench, and then we will perform our same basic function test again. So here we go. Does 10 slack. It is stopping me. It's not slipping. And there we go. That was pretty good actually, I think. It's gripping right away, not a lot of setback, and here's that smooth one-handed or nay one-fingered operation that you would expect from your Rope Runner Pro. So that's what we got by going all the way out. Let's just for academic sake, let's test something in the middle. It's probably worth noting, this is a pretty well-loved 11mm line. So this is going to be at the bottom end of the Rope Runner Pro's operating range. So you might need to have a different setting for a different rope. But here we are in the middle. We're at about the 3, I think, the 3 mark. And we'll see if that's any better or worse. So still very smooth, but I actually like this better. It's a little more activation pressure, right? The other one, as soon as I pulled down on it, it was starting to let off. And you know, if you bump the device into a tree or something like that, or into a branch, maybe it releases a little too easily. So a lot of range here in the Rope Runner Pro. And with these numbers on the side, you can easily remember how you've set it up or configured it for a specific device. And that is the sole adjustment point. So once you adjust here, you can just make sure, give it just a little bit extra. You don't need to over torque these. Just want to make sure that they're tight enough that they're not going to loosen up. And then you'll be set. You should go through this process anytime you use a new rope or a rope that you're unfamiliar with the device on. So hope you have fun and climb safe with your Rope Runner Pro. Thanks for watching.